Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. I'm here with a video to share with you my tips on organizing under your bathroom sink. Let's get started. So friends, I have found that many of us suffer from the love of having products in our bathroom. Although we have many that we don't use, we just have to purchase that product. And so what I want to do is I want to share you some tips on how you can organize under your cabinet so that it's not just a mess, and so that you don't have things falling over when you're trying to get to your things, and you can really have what you need. Where I get my inspiration sometimes with organization is from retail stores. I always love the fact that retail stores, they make things look so beautiful, but then they also put them in a way that it's easy for you to get to so that you will purchase. So there's that aspect of function and beauty, which you know I love. And so when it comes to under your bathroom sink, I have shown you different ways to organize under sinks, whether it's your kitchen or your bathroom. And I want to show you a third way that will really help you if you are one that loves products. So I want to take you over to my house into my guest bathroom to show you under the sink and how I have it organized so that it makes it user-friendly for guests. They can easily see the things that are available for them, and they can easily get to them, and they're beautifully displayed. So friends, the first tip is always put a liner under your bathroom sink. And the reason why I say this is because your house is valuable real estate, and you may want to resell it, you just want to keep the value up, and you want to take care of your things. And so what a liner will do is it will catch those spills. A lot of times in our bathrooms, we keep hair dye, we keep products that are gunky, and things that can damage your cabinet, especially if it has oils in it. And by putting down that liner, it really can protect it. The wonderful thing now is that they have so many beautiful liners on the market, so you can really have that beauty and function with your liners. So definitely that's the first step to organizing under your cabinet. The next tip I want to share is to utilize beautiful trays. Now these are bathroom trays that I got from TJ Maxx, and they're porcelain, they're white, they're crisp, and they're beautiful. And so this is what I'm going to use to categorize my things under my guest bathroom sink so that I can then put the products in their category and guests can easily see what they have to use and easily get to it. Now, the thing about it is, if you cannot find these porcelain plates, you can always use rectangular serving platters that you can find in a variety of stores. They can also function in this capacity. But I think that it gives a really beautiful and elegant look, but it provides the limitation that you need because you can only put the products that you need on this tray in its category. So I line the trays up in the cabinet, and then from that point what I do is I then identify what each tray is going to be for. So I have one that's going to be for hair products, one that's going to be for facial products, and then one for body products. I then take the products and I line them up as if I'm working in a store so that it's just beautifully aligned. This is also great for your children. If you have multiple children using one bathroom, you can set up trays in there under the sink. And even if you want to get trays that have a little higher lip so that with kids, sometimes things topple over and they're not going to kind of put things back as pristine. So if you want to get a shallow kind of tray and line them up, that could work great. But by lining the products up and giving each child their own kind of tray, it can help identify their space. It's not like having a basket where they have to dig in the basket and things and try to find their things. I think in a guest bathroom, again, it's important that guests don't have to go dig through a basket, that they can clearly see what you have available for them. And then when you open the cabinet, you're able to see your products easily, what you have, only what you have, and you have your limitations. So what you have to then train yourself to do is say, okay, realistically, I only need these products to get ready in the day's time. So I'm going to only have this amount of hair products, this amount of facial products, this amount of skincare products. And best believe, a tray full of one item in one category is well enough. It's more than enough. So then I also added towels in here. Although I have towels in my guest bathroom, I just put extras in there in case they go to the bathroom and they forget their towel in the washcloth. They have another option in there along with a hair dryer. So basically, it's all about putting just the things that my guests would need under the sink and have it easily available for them. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my quick tip on how to organize under your bathroom sink. I love being able to share with you a variety of ways to organize under spaces because we all think differently, we all have different lifestyles, and we all have different needs. So we all don't tend to organize in the same way. So that's why I'm excited to be able to share with you different ways to do things. So definitely, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. So definitely don't forget to click that subscribe button. And definitely, I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment below. I also want to remind you about my video that I posted yesterday about Minimal Mondays. It's an exciting new series that I'm doing every Monday where I'm doing a giveaway. I answer a viewer's question or several viewers' questions, along with I give you a quick tip. So I'll link that video below also. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.